In this video, I'm going to show you how to create rounded rectangle buttons in Figma. To get started, I'm going to click the rectangle tool. Let's just draw something out this big. Perfect. Let's lock this in. Alright, this is locked. We're going to select the rectangle tool again. And this is where we are going to turn this into rounded corners. I'm going to select the rectangle. Let's change the fill to red. Perfect. Alright, we are also going to put some text in here. I'm just going to type button. Also, let's change this to the color of black. Alright, so let's bring this in here. Alright, what you want to do then is you want to select the rectangle and you want to go here. You see it says radius or corner radius, and you're going to just make this go to about like 37, and you can see it's getting rounded. Just gonna go a little bit more. Perfect. At 37, I like that. I'm just going to go here. Perfect. And you can see you have a button that has rounded corners. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel.